What up, guys? We're at this pond. There's another pond over there, another pond over there. I don't know if we're gonna hit all three, but we're gonna at least hit two. We're gonna see if these bass are hungry, baby. Ooh, wait. We're gonna wrap around here. Then we're gonna go to the other one across. See what we can find. Hopefully we find something good. I only got this Senko and 2 ribbon tail, red shad colored ribbon tails by Culper. So that's all the soft plastic I have, and then everything else is some top water or swimming a jig. Let's see, baby. Gonna move quickly. It is kind of, it was hot, but it rained, and now everything seems a little better right now, so we'll see. That one right there is little dinker. Drag is way too loose. There we go. First fish of the day. We'll take it, baby. All right, guys, we're gonna let this guy go right now. Pop it out. Let him go right here, right there, so we could try to get another guy to hit this real quick. Got another one. Little dink, bro. Second fish of the day. Just a dink, bro. These are summer bass right here, buddy. At their finest. Come on, buddy. That's another little bass. Took it. He's out of here. Not what we're looking for, guys. Not what we are looking for, but it is a lot better than not finding anything. And this guy ripped some of my tail off, so that's not good. I only have, but I do still have that Senko, and I do have another one. We can always switch baits, do something else. I feel like we'll find a big one. If we was to go back in there, if we used to go back in that pond back there, you would probably find something good. But I don't know if we're going in there today. Oh, that one, guys, got another one. Got a decent one. There he goes. Well, he's not the biggest. He's good, and I don't want him to mess up my worm any more than it's already messed up. So that is the third fish. Oh yeah, baby. Nice little bass. All right, guys, we popped it out. Nice little bass, took it. There he goes. He felt good. He felt real good. I was like, oh man, that's a nice one. But a little dinker. But hey, feels nice to be putting some fish on the board right now. I haven't been bass fishing in a little while, so that was pretty sweet. I mean, I did on the kayak the other day, but it was just before that I wasn't really having bass fish like that in a little bit. So it's nice, and they're right off these weeds, like not even a lot. So that's the third one. They're hitting quick and aggressive. And this little, man, this thing looks so good in the water, bro. Oh my God. It would probably hit top water right now. Oh, right in here, right in here. We're gonna find something good right here. Watch this, watch this. Right in here. right in here. What about right off these? Bringing it back right around here. This thing looks so good. All right, look at him throw it right across. Yeah, right there, right there. Hoping for a good one. Let's see what about over this muck, if anything happens. Oh, that was nice. See that? Bro, I had it over the weeds like a top water and bow. That was sick, dude. That's another one, baby. That's another one. Let's pop this out quick. It's by its eye. Come on, bro. There he goes, guys. Real quick back. Alright guys, we're gonna do a little wrap around this pond. What time is it? About 15-20 minutes to go around this pond, and then we're out of here and I'm gonna try the last pond out there. We're gonna see, but I feel like we could probably find some good fish right now. Got a decent fish right there. Dude, let's go. First fish of this pond, and he's a little fatty, bro. That's what I'm talking about, bro. On that red shad, bro. They ain't playing on that thing. Boy, let's go. Alright guys, we got the hook out, first bass of this pond. Let him go right there. Alright guys, I switched over to this tiny little frog. It's already got an eye missing from getting hit, but we're gonna see if we can find a bass on this top water action. If not, we'll go back to the... Oh, did you guys just see that? Let's go back to that. Yeah, they're ready to hit the top water for sure. Bright water, like I said. Wow. Ooh, there it goes. Got him on the top water, baby. Got him. Got one on the top water, baby. Let's go. He swallowed that frog, bro. Making sure he ate it this time. Look at that. Down it goes. Hungry guys, baby. Let's go, baby. All right, guys. Get this frog out of here real quick for him. Pop this thing out. This guy really devoured the frog, bro. Come on, dude. Let it go. There we go. All right, guys, he's bleeding a little bit. He choked it just a little bit, but there he goes. Messing with my frog. Oh my God, this is Let's throw it all away. Oh, I'll spook something. Oh, got a nice one over there. Holy cow. Did you guys just see how far that was? I mean, look, he just got off. What the heck? Yo, that was sick. on the top water, baby. That was pretty dope from far away. That's awesome, bro. Let's go. Going back. There he goes. All right, guys, we hit those 3 ponds. We were successful. Top water, a worm. We were using 2 different baits. Successful in both. Had a blast. Fall's on its way. A lot of action coming, baby. Thank you guys so much for watching. Till the next success, guys. Stay safe.